So we are back. When a fair chat to a crowd, a year bedroom, yes, she shared the free brand no more pound minutes at Gianai in Numino. Yadi baby brand on Konoba pound minute at Dunu a year in Num. Yet that also as a Wajibra also, oh, Shebi, a jelly say, and nay, Saquania Bema also with him to a drink share at the Abre, a would be so. And pay Miaminia and Atenase or Tenase, or NDC a man you could dinimo. Well, no, my man cow say, you offer in your braya conta, Anim Piesie, Benard. And I say, Benard Aqua.
You don't mind.
Official because the whole year officially.
I tell you.
After the long battle, our party. Congratulations. Why are they?
Thank you.
3 months into my administration.
That's
it. Be cool.
Yankopon Daroma. Yebeka say, Ashasino and among our President Mahama, Etunu Weti and Amompa. Sense Sebi, say, Ubi Fiasan until no Befiasia, Ubon Combafaso Bitunana. Banana and among Tunusu Sia, Extre near Eden Bequacovi. Now, so far, so good. Fans are maybe some best in Quade. President Mahama, ye biara, into tea biarano, and I'm not going to pepe. Inti, and it does soon the Abba. Sans Abam Papa Humano, if you say etiacity.
Abba Papa Humano, I shall say,
baby,
a baby. Eddie Jenny, our castle could be a bagana for him one.
Papa, Titruni say, 2 hours abandoned down is so good Ghana. A Ghana for a year, day, found. Eddie can ye levy. Near ma, Mombi Afro course. Ghana ha ubi anywhere na Nakoma Ejoso. To the extent that I knew a 2024 election. That about Miancasa Babon because no cranana bonjoso. Msekoye then. It sounds hard to ninty. Toe boots or Ghana in yet to tomb. It is a free nefi Ghana. Efa for America crana unchato or Ghana. A children near my Lucy. It sounds hard to ninty sebe. Here, name me see what parliament. A house of records. You think every year when you have positive reportage. And so, you can say negative impact and also change positive. To the extent that said you be now or yare. Oh, here say a man who join. Or the next ambulance mobile parliament because of 11. 11 parliament just say, Honey could jing come papa. You could jam money about papa. And now, best in parliament come. Say impersonation because of 11 voting.
We are not yet in with that because. You establish that impersonation.
No, but the last conversation.
The last conversation and Nippon APO, or Sable Sujimation. I say, Chibian, no offer for internet, or I can say. Oh, now no one also knows on your noise. Go and check.
Only answer. Only answer. No, and no crowd.
She has never and will never be in support of a year e-levy. As I said, go on tour. As some business. I just say on tour. Heading like a minority leader, a majority that's a break. So, common as you will say, or can the dangers? Also on pay. More into into Bribia than on to me where party a Juma. Into Okoyeti or Nankasa New Jedi. I said, any day, get to my baby, young fans. Now, I was here, Fiasi and Fishamu. One of our so what I say. As I say, if you know, young I was Belmono, young who then were parliament and it was already. Now, so in ye, because you have consensus about home. Parliament and Bibiano, Parliament and Condo. It's as a bonya, do na mana brosum pono. Say, ye perish move, never be a tea. President Mahama can't say, young fire to do a brosono and go popo ye ninch. Epa, Saswa, they said, none will be a besanco. None will be a besanco. So what I say? A son say, Ubi Pese, Umi or teacher no one adding your master to a man for community. And a Ghana, if we as a man send baby and what, oh, Abufra. Now, Pabudin crack, I'll make my journal so there any documentation that should be a year birth certificate. Ghana, I say, and no into me near dance say, oh, you're Ghana and when you're Ghana.
Oh, amahene yere tua na among bi na I'll call on all Ghanaians and say ye betimi etu yen ho ama na abua resetting agenda no. So no man ben Mahama can. We can only reset Ghana.
We can only reset properly, or we can only operate a functional democracy and a dysfunctional. When one idea said is Swadi Hunini Butana Bano, one ankasa Ashesa agenda of resetting us.
It was a was okay. And when President Mahama free in I said, come let us all sit down and build the Ghana we
want
together.
Ghana na ye
it won't so just not there eto asom ba and it enyan this phone call that one asem so
all of us are
Ghana nyina ngoba so NDC ye by be se ne ayese o se momra ne nyina enka ehombom ampani ampanso ba hwa na montu ahoro awatu ne efa free SHS ho ne efa Ghana economy ho anya won say ne Ghana city etima man ho mre so saa yida tu ne nansen yen na wo yi wiasa mansen sika mo no ho moden a now you Sri Lanka, Ghana city neighbor. I'm one home modern. I was okay school na so we were class. I was near Oba before we know so book actually no this show. Ghana near book actually this Sri Lanka. But then no the Ghana Africa. Sorry Ghana city no. I'm man home reso to the sense say ye can near e wasra e na to so song. Nti yare tu na mo bi. Enya no kwa near me de pa biom. I say, "Em, my young commodity con. We live if you are betting taxi. Come on, pay year for. Now, near my many jack as a pa. And yes, say, a banger of best no, a capu sikebi.
We year for.
We yin in F4. It is a FNHI in Hua. As I say, you don't see can statutory payment. As I am ra. I say, I don't have them own. No one ye be at the share or mount for a pomoding. Esan say nipa woman was a unni apomodin a man no dachi ewe free SHS dan the anti amfa ho fie nua no MPP fo ano so president Mahama so obo betwem mbadwan ya sa netene ene president Mahama ba no wantwem o ene wanya no say ne anetina no come demofra no ene wa pagya o mu kopem say wa on cap get fund nti sika say yenya na ye de ma get fund ye do sika ni nyina ba ma get fund no ngatimi anya bi e de ahwe free SHS mamo frene said say won afiase we de me a won ho to won atimi akoso pepepe nti incomoding de e de pa wo ye woni pa bi ese wo bunkunta bi kire e me de say enche me nua kwasi kwatin so benya kwan abade a ese wo bunkunta bi kire nkuntabu ni nkire mpa ne say all along amane ba ye te wo parliament e Ghana nyina o yen representatives and enim Magdiganka say a house of records. And it's a free SHS beneficiary. Well, you're 5.7 million. So what is that?
It's our figures in Chilemono.
And the band be reading. Now you're 5. What's the name? 5.7. But prepare about 3.5. Meboa. And it's our 2.2 million. Mofrano. Sikana yedebo won ho brand scan away.
Kwasi kwati me yiwa no
sikana yesi some of Friday gina won so de ye nkunta ma o man no se sa o man ni sika se no ne de koye no sika de ma ye mo fra 5.7 dodo sika ne de ma pa de nya sa na tene ana wa ye dede sa kofa parliament menne wan ka se jatu so utwa atro kire ye wudi nkuntumpo kire ye ya jatum enye 5.7 eye 2.5 2.2 bi abeda so eno na we says come now the shehe says can you ba na odidi ehia hwehwem ehia nkyerem enya security matters asebese bio eni nyina so na ga ne na anu ya ka be nim se metima aka so man hwen mehwe wa uti kukuruwa dodo betire ni nti uti kukuruwa
na ane yo wana
oh you
ade
wo betimi akire ni nti uti kukuruwa
enti die chemu bi
mo se mema kamasem ai se na tena mpemfo kan wo se otutu ano man na o de ahye nsem na o so kirem se ano ma ben ebi no wura ntim fodo ye Ghana
otutu ano ma ho
no de abehya aban kira ano ma ko
woni ahye da di asem na chi
Papa, because more brofo be a more cancer of name they say. O say he who alleges must prove. Abangaba abi yasem na no. Also there be say security agencies name be say BNI and sorry most now was a friend NIB enya bank no. Wonga ye hwehwemu no. Isa den say to one among ye. NIB bank in the world NIB where security. Ni nim na nka ye BNI. O kapa bro bi ate ase. And now ebia Yoko and ebia CID. Ntim for this one ebe kan asem ne dan ko begedi. And they say yen kontompo, say yen nokwaro obegedi. Metie wo more.
But what continues to be your challenge is the president himself directed that there should be a formation of these entities collaborating with Intim Fojo to get to the bottom of the case. And Amebusa say, does it mean that you were Intim Fojo, you were Kwachofus, and some are Kanyano? Esa ekono mampenka so monti no mniwura nti Fojo ni nko no mama de 2 million se onkasa wo omafa ana se die.
So question na obiza no eto asom a legitimate question. Nanso bro rentim Fojo petna Joy FM kasai no. O kasai indict owura Kwachofo so. Nti no wo kwan so no so ba no be kira asem na no. And no stop investigation because as you who need
and how say basis abre ya kase aviation for ho NIB for ho national security for ho CID for ho won nipa ba kokura ni ho a maybe ordinary no this same cry den abetudwa e dia maya and how sir
e honde me nyanyo how ye isanse hwehwemu a wo se wonya no me nya hu baabi a won adua
as we speak
but me bo se won afiase ana wo mfiase ntinka na me expect
se ase dia be ma revision
me si gina yo
se akoba se I want to
me si gina ye me nim se won afiase ana wo mfiase
but clearly se o bibi sa ho a sa abedwaku no ye beto won din se mampan hye se national security so mo hwɛ sɛ mbafo bi afi CID mbafo bi afi NIB mbafo bi afi Yoko mbafo bi afi Nako na saa nkita odi mo ne yiwura ɛyɛ Ntim Fojo adi
yo wonim wote hei sɛ me kata mani na me sɛ maada nti nyang me a
onayo
na makata mani na me sɛ nyang me nti me pa na me nyang bi adin pa ma me ana makata mani me nae na me so maada nti o ma hini nyang me Ubenya opa hwiesu gumu so mepa me mwe mani.
At this point na no man I peke no.
Ne atini se ne po betimi aboa. Se ampani ampa se o wonyina so a. E yo osofo Ntim Fojo.
But mo so mo kasa mafo no. Ne ba mo so mo kasa mafo no. Ne kasa ahodo a wakeka nyina no. Se o keka si ani a ohu se ntokuro di dem.
Eno no ne na ogina so hu sa tokuro.
Ntokuro
me se ne na wo gina so
ebra wi mhye ni bi
meba ne na wo gina so
odi atudwa dwumadie potia
wo bi wa allergy no Ntim Fojo wa kire bra bi mhye no bedu
wa kire pepepe na no da
me se trans me be common be de dan na ma ne de no ka ye pepepe
ana ama ahoko hia se omampanyin na muntu o ka se
ye bibia nsi ukwan saa
ana de to so biem ho na ho akohia se
Ntim Fojo adan no pupu ne to
da bi
adan no odi kan be ka kire nse kasa na efi na no ba ne nyo no netri mo po wo so what is that no so na mo kasai on behalf of the committee
exactly
and no friend no say ono no ye ranking member of that committee
which one say odi enim kasa
and ane kasa mun o si giran say wa pick intel prof no na mo ti ase pa so what is it mo na no one thing say ye Otin anomansu nya anoma keke utum say you brekusu ana ye brubusu so no otin woni musuko enti otimi gina so kasa ma na ye ebeko bi na o shanga ben enti wonya kasa intel pe na say wa ye wohwehwe madu pempensu bi a wo nyina so wasem nim And I'm going to be able to prima facie. When speculation.
But at this point,
and speculation.
At this point,
my speculating about Momra and Amu man. And a man,
yes, also dear. A man,
more as an young
man, a man, your P. Say ACC. Yanka say so. Yanka say a suspicion. Yeah, am I worried? Me worried. They say. When you ask me, I say, he didn't know what to do. I asked him, 777, I say, you need to know, dear. And Cassa, if you want a crowd doing at this point, you know, constant car travel beyond this point.
My catch is a toss will be when in Kumana for so that, being young yet. But I know down so. Yeah, but we are now, see, Nippon or fast, and about naming us, to see, you know. Or just I know this a mabano, onion tomorrow, my establisher. Also, say, you know, I can't come again, no baby if you bear immediately.
But I don't know who sent from so a yaba, a bra, we machine beer, Gina Biano. You only pay so. And any pay so. What is their problem?
Nipano has no. I bet catch us as India, but I mean, one and a moon to me near me, and also what? No,
only pana of we machine beer. Sir, I knew ye crack in a super bansa. See, in a super bansa, the same I walking. That's a plain BBC. Well, you near maybe film the go baby. But what is what is your difficulty? Because
Mama insians
no, Mpensenpensenmu fall into the category of politicians. Bramu opposition, Mokasa, Edanso. Now we begin Bemwa. Bibi after the say let me point out. Our current Minister of Communication, Otina Metro TV. Eka say we will shame be a airport. Na a peja ni muko tamale church nyoma bebre na all share enyumeku ahodo the intelligence and all those people say o man hwe no mo antu anamo asese fata ono mba chia yam was it speculation
onya nyina so back in as
okay
okay
what
no woye hwehwemu no
okay what let's not go beyond this
but woye hwehwemu ni wie no ohun say no kan no
I don't have an idea whether hwehwemu but
wakantina yade to hu anye
ebe ye kire say at this point you cannot call it speculation when even the appropriate authorities say eyakasa sabi ana horodo no wabeka menu nyina na sisi ya ma ye twena so mo ye bedu ho sisi ye twena so ye bedu ho ye no baby ayo then friend na hwehwemu kona wo ba ba hwehwemu e ba be but between the two of us
na wakoka wase
between the two of us this matter should not go beyond 1 week say clear abesi we mshem
I agree with you perfectly because me crowd ka boy sabi you sabi say when nipa wo ye ahobanbofo aye je won dinti e don akotena
we
mshem gina bia ho say wo hwe ho man no unless e beka so ye nye wo ni
yenti mi kasa
mo enti anka won na ehwe ho tamane e boben ne yenya efri ho say ananu bi we mshem bi bai ne yenti asinti no anamon tu se ne tu wo ho ne amanya ne nti ne say be ye na wotwini we mshem bi besi wo Kotoka International Airport wa ebesi ho no na won a wo boban ewo yen airport ho no tutu se bibi nkoso ana wo suspect ne ma bi wo nti o ma nakok ekoko yen hwehwem si ade fu ne ade yen hwehwem wo ho asema mekan ya amane bo urfra bi nia lawyer chum obebo amane ono ye deputy CEO ewo nakok and so issue commander me say ma me issue no say na amount for betemase na man e body better abontini it is one bibi no ye suspicious about that particular incident wo wo ko fa so wa ye won hwehwem ye nya man e bobi wo sa kwan no so ye na ne eye me wonwa eni say niema bi a ye nuanom bi ye before 2016 we successful no and the officer bit me aboa wo
nyoma be ya
ye nuanom MPP fo fiase kan sem bi a na enye no kware edi kan ne say ye fa kwan fa so ekon ketashe ne proya ade ne din ye ketashe ne proya President Muhammad tu anamon say moma ye nwa ya de nani so obeka ya nti exposes be break because so when na the radio crime and corruption meaning say President Muhammad Abang was presiding over corruption and enya wonwa say abosuma be sani o hwe koke na horo a aban yi modern bo ama yetimi a kire enya na wode asie Enti no mo watchre na ni odisi ni okata so no no mu hina na esen ke bo na baso.
Ni na emo bi abaso because enkosi aga.
Esi aga.
Emu de we na akosi aga.
Oh, na ni awon actually millions.
Are you on top of
millions of dollars?
Are you on top
cocaine
of
bust?
So as we speak now, what is the update latest on cocaine actually way? They are here for the church.
Oh, as now ya pro.
Daddy,
Agweriba we Jefia. Mpensenpensenmu nhia. Unless say yenye won a wo ye hwehwem no ni mo nti ma womre nhia won.
It is important in patriotism. Agora ye dia chente ye ho gidie no. Ye ho gidie no. Akoto
resetting no yeguso.
Mebo agora ye dia che. Enu nti na ma ye ho si ye gi ye ho adi no. Akoye din.
Nti ye pese asema na mebisa na ebesi so.
Enye ye security agencies no.
Anfo de enye won.
Agora ye amanyosem ye central adwuma ye Ghana for ye dia nti ama gidie wo ye ntem no abafom titru MPP NDC nanka de bia da meka abaye ono obada be na ebia ye be hyase amana buru so amana nyai ko ne mo ho hia se abaye na obaye na nche na o appointment o ma contract amanfo ye adwuma no once you activate those things no it is the government is in full session. Government is in operation.
Correct.
So you should be held responsible.
No problem
for any other matters. So point is that obi odi kontompo be di anim kan bia no.
Yes, kontompo me chechira ban wo bra ye
obi odi kontompo eno de gitum say ene Ghana for any da ho. Obi odi kontompo be ka say krokro the job faculty kwan bi so the bibi be chechira ban ina so bi
pinum modus operandi won kwan a wo fa so ye won amanyo
say e kokobo de be mo yes so
because
yes so mu say kontompo say me dia
e shase bra Ghana ye practice ye first republic nsembe no ngan kwan for start to come nkroma mu ahe na be dead say na ye no kware na ye nyina ba be hu nti na nkyire ba so oh papa ne de obo modern power papa ne de obo modern power so na ya tene say wotu no amanfo bo se isa na amanyosem asabre ne ye wo hunti nti ense so ye masa na ma no kwan because hwe implication asankomodi ewoni just a Ghana de sebe mu ye cocaine hub nti wo ye do no anya den
eno na me kire say
wo ye no na wo di gu o man na ni masen wo man no ne and global world global village
sa manyosem na M1 friend munyam ni mpuntu ni kanko emre Ghana we've all agreed say after 2024 about 2 years
mo
yes bibi di resetting Ghana in our quest to reset no enti na meka say ye to reset ho anamo no me wo mampanyi na soafo Ghana de Ghana we have a critical role to play among role ni bi esese play this say yes so nyoma ensem fata so enti uni bia no so e wo tirim say na no da kwasi ye ofa no di enti wo so obeye no ofa wo di no kane no na eye
me no ya
kane no na eye
adwen papa de Ghana no sebe esese ye wo man bi chechire etwe muten ye nenanom bi bre wo mojani ebi kura hwere wo nkwa na wodi gi Ghana no maaye nti senke yenso ye be fi ha no na nchire manso nya bibia kan fa ye he da bia na be ye sa negative reportage na sa wo ko man bi so they sell their country outside and then come aye do ahe wo ka so man bi ye cocaine hub na wo involve wo hu
obi ye so no ba bebo
na to fie bi wo so man kra de ade awiasa manzan nyina jatom Geneva Convention fine ko si achite won sashen krata say yen so money laundering also Ghana krade no ya nti na sabe woni pa ko na wonam nkontompo ne nabraba so anya satri mu paw no wo pe Ghana nkoso na pe Ghana say ye dem a wo je fi unsem ya ni o ye dem a wa ye je fi unsem to ho mo foforo ni nti adwen paw ben na wo e ye nokora ye nyina beboa because ye reset your man no pasan ko ye nokware na ye bosremu ka
asotwe be di akiri
mo
se sa na kotie egbe dia
sa nso na be kwa wi unless e bia President Mahama adwuma meka se odi akekere security agencies ne kon no obeka se woni so
ye Mpensenpensenmu ate
baby we will call on them to get to the bottom of this case
very important
it's na meka se okofa ba ni was the wara kofa ba
the continuous delay of our security agencies to come together to investigate and collaborate with Reverend Tim for Jono. And no nama Obia.
Well, me feel say I need be and cheap be aside. What then come off for what then come off for because you still are here man nearby. President Mahama Memu style. Ora Dr. Ayenini. Attorney General. If you come off as or you so transparent on Nkomodim. Now the crowd maybe growing who ask say, oh, now then, maybe say about Bonten Beckham elsewhere among bishops. Within certain traditions, and why anything. What the amount for one, you bring them up to speed. Na me person me, na me person me, na me person me, na me gusu me. Because young near small as a question the man of mine. It mean him say nkomodi biara. Nkomodi biara. What's the sabi? Obi ache wegwara. Na nye eni ha unti. Na mom or the name atutu ye. Enti ebe ya mane bo a enche kra no ye benya efi security agencies na no. Prem the Ebeka sentim for the politician. And also a party of person will save the face. International saw a baby, now my party no based on energizing. Real fellows for Suquachi, or no so manually, and I'm a boy. Into no so be finifa. Name professionals and ankasa. One I want the intimate for party calabia and someone. Now a year one mandate. So by him, then no correct to me to be as a dano. Enter with him say, you better one.
Well, like Kwesi Kwarteng is what kind or also the new Patriotic Party or more communications team. They showing him say lawyer Kwesi Kwarteng ebeba beka yes but for the meantime you are a Benard Anim Piesie and original NDC and man of pay obedient so in the future and come on. What is Nkomoni be about? Can I say illegal? What it be?
Matepa.
It you say?
Never kwenye zabo abanso afwa ode asase ene mungudi sohwe ahyenensa ru amakofibua nebo na baso sanse sebe asemka so comedy obi fear being back no comedy but the be ensi jaso back the comedy nanso BBC jaso ne BBC jaso no wani daso mpato mebo say and then obe but animanim ye obenya bibia di ne ayete hu mpremprenyi nea BBC jaso aye we say ne daso no ne nansa de ne de abande down apreso na bibia nsi ja no so because ye tea obi a na ovai for so obeba amrasha begum no can say shekutupa say soldier for no ne police for no ba momro won yete former regional minister, Western regional minister. No crackers so ye jai galam stop, ye jai say because near feel say no my political advantage. Mebwana. But prepare some commodity no near ya was to say. Ye won commodity obi say, I didn't meet the me who say a terrorism. There be American say Urama Kofibua. Near a challenging a casino says so con constituency. Or try and cobra bridge in answer what constituency. Enti bribi enu wa chese ebetimi ama no leverage some anything failure anya hwe na me kan so ati
ase insu obetra
trans wa kwa no insu no anko brasa enti se e successful a kon consensus obi hu anya ya o kon consensus obi hu eno nti na o show bo a akobem eno nti aban anamuntu biara sese otu na yetimi ma sada na brass no obetu obi nka say yentu for magudi me de say ye kan ya de akirem obrofum illegal mining for magudi tua mra entayechi
so ya no so ye kan because some along the line in government quest to fight this illegality in mining no a lot of mukasayo so the thinking is that mukra adia sunku bi amoba mo betimi aya
absolutely
e betimi amansa
absolutely
aba
absolutely
Mathieu Rastos anopaya on Adom FM na the Rastos eka ene de mo kan ebo abura kese but to the extent that wakom mia bebre kura wakunu se mo am party for na odi bia bi obeko bia no odi mfonyini no odi koma ewura amakofibua enso say fichu said you know this mfonyin ko na akoba ewura abugina pod den no na fichu no sa pepepe and
ora Erastus me bona ba so papa adwuma a wayɛ no life threatening sɛbi obetuma fa so ahwere no nkwa nti wayɛ ade ebɛkɔ so abɔ naba so ne ahyɛ ne kana sɛ ɔnyere no ho na ɔnyɛ bi nka ho mpatwa nam ken wate ase ba nyɛ bia so na obenya ne right na anu yɛ na montu bi course between Ministry of Defense nkɔbɔdi bi bon sɛ na also alert aban ɛwɔ illegal mining bi aneko so ɔkwa bi na as at that time anɔbɔ na mane no na ɛda so kɔ so ɔsan twa no san bɛka so wɔnyɛ ne ye so what I say na moment nkɔ so I'm not saying say ne ɔkan no kwara na ɛyɛ atoro na nkontompo na meka what I say but ma de kan kyerɛ sɛ yɛ de mfe ahe na sɛ illegal mining asɔre yɛ de sɛ nsu 2016 na nkobra na nyɛ brown na yɛ blue mfoni wɔ hɔ edis dance no from 2017 bepin 2024 o ma henya mfia wotwe mpata na meka yemeboa mfia wotwe o ye share that committee e de adwuma ne share wonsa committee chairman na ngasa beka so aden agiegu go party hinska o kansem bebre insesi ebetie na ye to ho anamon den na ko bai odum ne crucify but nya san komodi no na prempren wo abangani abre kasa de akami ye can be in opposition boss ne she bi president Mahama nyo bi oka sema obuso de bia me kan sa asem on ka sema muso oka odi o say yo oyo nipa de nanso odi na asem so ye fa ni anya abosoma bi esa kwa abretu na wontumi nya kontama ne nko say no you cannot expect say in a month you bit mama na da aka kwa abretu but then na ekoso aban na retu hu anamo
ba aban na motu no ba ko ne say excavators 100 ye hu 40
ndame nkomo ni ametin amande ba ametin so within 3 months aban etimi a chere excavators no be ye
100
mo
emu aduana ye hu
na no boss amani
eno na wo minister na ba amani
minister so hu mu aduana
40 excavators
o ma o chere mu ko si
eno de anya me na mechem minister na kaza me
na me ameti a sisi a wo so afro me na business we need na ko fa nkomo ba mu timi trip o pesa o ye design ya intim fodo ye ya
e dey bi we da roba
wa go fa se ba me bisa me me wa afro me na de mo nkomo timi antimi se
ekon ye kono
nti wa se de so
papa
and wa down two friends in minister then now king
ekon ye na me ka se ye ba ho na no da no o se de make say aya na aya hom ti sem kaka ne se ya no na yiye ka
enyi kai
eyiye ka kire se meni obi na no da wo bibia ni esi ko bia o mu ti se adwuma ifa ye mfoyin ne bibia de o mu ka kire se meme se o ni meme se mu twa o man wo di obi kwa di ti mu pa efi mu pa ti nya baba ke ma mo pa mo fanko hake ye nja ye ne ana ye ja china
we man show
apart beyond I am hihia no
baba mu dwuye ohun kura dwuru nti dent na so aka say so ye NDC ninti ana ye MPP ninti ana
de to so bi dominance
wonim nipa dodo a sa nipa no ni illegal activities no
me ba ye nyina no ye ka dominance omu ya akuguduro ka kire se MPP for ye no ye yetu anamo ebe ka de na choma na de ye nam garam sin site ye si ebehwe omuso afero omuso ma ban aba
pacho me bo mrana ehye se yentu from agudi ewo nsum yentu from agudi ewo kwaim obetu a se oje nkrata ahoro fi abegman san watu ye when this for the when people for the
ahoro me ba se ye nyina no ayi ka otie
enya wanu nyi ukaye
me ba twei
no ukaye ni ana ye no kware nti wanu nyi ukaye
me gina ya no ye ayi ka no chese to tie se yanti e ho ase se saa ekono ebere bi bai na se entimi ko e ka kire PP4 se dede bebrebe no obi ani power o ye NDC ni asa bere no obekwa ko gina kwa ebrentu bi ma na nsuo bi ano bra MPP aban no enye ko da saa pepepe ana e ka no abeye no enti yantimi asebere ya no anya kokuduro amfa mra entu anamo na ya ma saa nipakuo no mo ya saa de no ya mo ma hotoso se wo pese wo tu form agudi a maybe enya ne kwa among some of the suggestions say mo nka mo mom na anya adwumakuo kɛse a wetim de abie even adwuma kɛse pa de to so biem aban won hyehyɛ we so de ma wo ebiara mutimi nka mo mbom aban won hyehyɛ sɛ bu yesi de to so miensa mmea hodo na asane ma ni si no aban hwɛ sɛ nananom assemblyman for opinion leaders any all other relevant conform ebeti kuo bi a because obi kan say ama won na e wo saa bia no a onu project na me no me dey think right
you who say someone working I say one president I'm crowd am NDC manifesto because we manifesto okay
the implementation continue to be the challenge
and I'm there no you try nkompon hwe am fi ahini afese ma am bai fi ahini
eduro bajiwa
there binya no kware
eduro bajiwa
enya no kware eduro bu ho a obenum akona nim kakra
because
okuna de ti o ma hene so okun enyo koketo o award the president no de ade be rhetoric be keka dwa wo ganu no
ba ebere na ekunya keto
ya na me ka no
ekunya keto da o
enya keto da enti won fa kasa keke ena ekon
but no solution no
but exactly na president Mahama I propose and I nation this manifesto and na ugusu ya woken see e be involve nananom ye beto district bi a wo to mining wo ho no ye be committee obehwa no sebe ye ntimi nye nyina aprekope o so come de wa won fa won sa bi nyidi abosoma bi sa a ban na ni abre eno kura keke aban na commitment no kura keke no it's enough to assure us that Nyadi will be relent on their efforts. Nyadi will be better than don't such on them reform. I'm on a party in Yeska. President, you may say, no, I say, when General can go transport them on yes, I don't know. President has about one thing about big defend Jobia or say quite bretu. Hey, now when I am Shishaka, quite ya, Drebia dim fish yet 500. I don't know. What could you say? Yeah, men am kan mountains ye dua nua won kan mountains so na why forestation enti president Mahama say
what's the assurance
kwanga
na intwa to ene what's the assurance that you fight illegal mining
when internet bon say bebia ende mate say mbrabi foforo bi erekoso parliament
do you still believe say mbrabi any who capture say who are to from agudi no
see medical
enforcement
sorry say wa okutu keke anything is be illegal mining untu nsum no cry number 1 won nkrata bi o wiase kra nkotu nsum etuso bi untu okwa bretum until recently an na kufado ebe chi amra no kakra bi wo sa ho no nanka untimi nwura kwa bi am so kwa koye enso ene de etu atese because of li is it 2462 or whatever mo amoni mra na okra am say wonim zami abe won be kire so what the mrafofo bi ba na makwan mo bitimi apply wura kwa emkotu president Mahama say what is the samra no the down asanga ba biom say wonni kwan no onga restricted kwan a obefa so a ubenya license no nti prempren nira kra yete say minister na call on say mema wo issue new license bia na prempren words some say ebeye
government to stop government has not stopped government to stop unstoppable
government
to stop
to start
to stop
to start to start and not to stop
issuing
meaning say set it out
you should issue
meba ewo ho wo ye na ban si meriba be si wa no
merci ana me be si
who be si o we si o the end result in the lecture the end justify the means say na mo ka mo bro for no fan it kusi na hiara wa de atirimpo bi aba ye man na mre hwese obeyi ana wonyi nti na wo mfia wo twachi no ne yakasa ban a obesen kwai no wantimi antu mfia wo twachi is enough ye na kata es wan ye mpo abesen ne so president mama ne na kan se ne na kan se eyi ne okan no okusu eye anamontu wo so patu powosia eden moja na eba
so ebe kwa wo twa ho aba ye ko mula break ye ba ebe di en komo no ewo honom Anim Piesie wa so lawyer kwesi kwati so ewo hanim say lawyer mbeka se be sa chawade esika osika koso na twa star 281 na fe wako option 4 na fe watwa as many as you can tianche bia mebobo wi na ndema ye kwa basisia well Adom asaba mameka osika osika star 281 hash na wako option 4 na watwa Now fi when you abutra mame before me page am na me do number na to dwa na chese bibia ko so lawyer kwasi kwati atena se lawyer kwaba. Very unusual. Na ene de minim ade yakwa ni shama o bicycle no.
Me yira kwan. Minim se ayi o.
Adom FM.
Adom FM. So ma kwatira fa da Dominic mo so hwe me. Na me se na mo sta zo ye twen ye de ye beko. Timi so babanta. Obi ayi na obi send message say papa intra wo di wa ha no man ka mo say hey fa me wo. Ene ma me frɛ for you say
I see.
Say because obi di trouble me hu no. Say I no tia o yes abo.
Wa ba kire na gene. Eya joro obi di.
Obi ada ko. It that by na say tradition tamam. Because me try to. Eso no kware nkwa na bet na
ama. No kware nkwa. Ebi be mu jam ho. For instance, figure mo de call in terms of free SHS no. More budget to say it's not the 5.7, 3.5. So difference, you know.
2.2.
More the year, and other matters. And he believes the government is on the right path, especially with Nenshisha or Diego Akwemu, an issue about Intifo Jono, say a matter do about nothing, a way to distract by Nsiaga, and he will be held responsibly for such act now. Or
yes, for joke at home, you no. FHS figures. For joke at home, you not third one.
It you know how you went. I say
okay. You see, I move position.
I did one.
What was it? 25.
50.
Well, I can't tell them. For 10 minutes, I came over. So when you want, I just. Yeah. Fatem is Cecilia me war opposition. Means I'm trying to defend the free SHS issues. Not in a way me run away from it, but there are more pressing issues that I want to address. Free SHS
one accredited Maya. Oh, will be become
right. Say muna mo abemu. This bibia atochi bia.
Yenko first camera.
Muna mo abemu.
2.
Bibia atochi bia no. Mo no mo said yen say
budget na ye de ma
o why nti akra ma wa more power
so him the oye what the manager say manager say
confirm
o ma manager say watra ha wana na be ha fe keke so why wana bi
o me de be ma o
wait 10 minutes
akere me hia pra da me come so here 2.2 balance.
Adom we can first na can start here na ko kan na taste me tinsi wonder. Amount ayira mo. Amount ayira bo amount to say 5 million na say ebu aguma.
Mo na be kire because mo dey abro so.
Who na tia bem on do dey ko kire.
I am saying say
amai.
Who out tia bem no.
Nti wo dey ba betu.
Who say be catch them say enkrata na obetu ye na akomrashe bedwem.
Dan komo na so kwa go fa.
Na wo komrashe bedwem. Why am I the real figure? Ono aba be catch us ampa de o kan onu yichim. O say aka say o dey.
Wa betwa nkontom pa kire me. Na gina so nkontom
ko de mani wi nkomo sika na ma. O de mani wi nkomo
na bu ko ta o say.
O de mani wi nkomo.
Actually no o be kra na anya sa.
O de mani wi ma unim. For you say me buy. One more the tactics and strategy be brave person for diverting. Me ko ka free searches one say A amount, B amount. Kim na headline for just some do. Ye mani no mu na do. When to me and ya. Mama men kebi
na. No dey ka. Mama men kebi. Ye be yenska. Trot to ma.
But o dey ene nka so mama men kasa. 10 minutes akedi.
But no to down say when.
Oh, that remind me no to down. What the 10 minutes mama for 8 na 2 aka no dey respond.
Ye be go down.
What the mama for 8 2 aka do ma. What the 2 8 mama for 8 2 aka do ma. On free SHS, we've given an explanation already. We admit say figures no. In terms of communication of the figures, there was an inconsistency. I'm a my clarification. Mpensenpensenmu dwell so much on it. But on record, teku ana asempo anyade enyera. So also teku ana asempo ayera. Ona wa bemu. But amount ko. I say ntechi asem. Who say on the face value say ntechi ewie sika wa form my sika wa crop buza say of asay. You video a obi run commentary on it meboa. Ah wa fa sika. So ode ye ne airfare. So the train the hotel say sika e kro no sika wan anim meboa enti oh
mani we no we zero add ora japa be sure so tie nko enti obetu na mo
no problem
oh no but minya at least to be fair no at least to be fair you've been here for over an hour maybe me yera me kwan e bo kwan so me srew Mr. The issues you've raised are very serious issues. I'm saying, say, mean di wachi. Kaya first na me started communication ya mini experience. Like makoka need my headline na diverty issue no. Yem fan diverty issue for jo ho asem na yeka mo cocaine ho asem na yeka. Free SHS no so who say teku na asem po yira. Mo bia wa fa bibia no. Mo frɛ there was people who were in authority then. Mo from mo na mo question omo. I mean, I will leave it there. Now on cocaine. Maybe I'm person me kono ho aso na meba. Menua the atene say bi emremo kura na ye frɛ bibia frɛ no. Circumstantial evidence. Circumstantial evidence, you say, you connected the dot. So, I say, be a you would animo ha manus sumna, so you see a boat be two. Now, a 20 boy, you know, it was as an one the boat too. But who tell me who say a beer obukra sekai, obusukra two. Obukra so treaty will be none so soon more the bed, a bit in the one your bedroom cry day every day. Wo as a man bapano, you have a civic responsibility on you to make that complaint, you know, to the relevant state institutions. And when you are a member of parliament and we have a civic responsibility on you. So lay bare the relevant issues. Now these are issues in the bar. Issues most of the time so we pick from suspicions, intelligence. You see we same way you say you betray more and no one ask them no they command the relevant state institutions. Let us state on record say it is different from say normal criminal procedure also could prove with evidence. You do not require any evidence. The only thing is about credible information say, oh, as soon as you are not been a bone to any man, who say papa be train more or packet taxi, and I know Timoto so, and they 2 years day, Eshan went to a moon him. When can a idea add them by uncle? Him. You news. O mine. I buy by when I say less than 90 days. Less than 90 days. We do so or no more affiliate to even addresses if you now we offend say, aside them say. No more it is a fool, no money idea mo cars on by back from the Indian say among yourself no more forest na in side among yourself no there. But do the major even just on cocaine issues within less than 90 days the cocaine issues said that about $3.5 million, back $350 million. And almost almost containers mark 12 will be or supply my ho and also on to me accounting for it. Just in the space of 90 days. Now, $350 million worth of cocaine. So, what person who no value, and once some year came out to who say, "Enti coincidence, any people been that about men, now to get the blessings of people in authority." And say 3.3 tons of cocaine, who converted to kilograms, about 3,300 kilograms. 3,300 kilograms, we divided by bags of cement. We say 1 bag of cement here, 50 kilograms. Tiabema 66 bags of cement. Okay, let me say, baby abba, 66 bags of cement, abba, within a space of 3 months, 90 days, and ya 66 bags of offense cocaine. 66 bags of cocaine. As I see, be bien who are beating their plane, abba. I saw the fence also. The air banging on one there was no intelligence on it. One who say, I have say, a border security, a border patrol, all of a sudden, how did they get into the country? Just in a space of 3 months. Oh, and people are buying another brand new cocaine wholesale them. But we need more clarity into it. We need more answers into it because you won't be paid. Okay, me, I'm not going to point accusing fingers, but okay, Papa and Brana Kofi Watch. Who said committee or one more time so recommending such a person should be prosecuted. And today they are the people advising President Mahama on matters like this. Now, catch us same way about. Oh, are they not in charge of national security?
No,
I'm saying, are they not advisors to the President Mahama?
And I will link to them.
No, I'm not saying, say. That was what the committee said. The committee said you should be prosecuted. No, I am giving a record of, say, somebody who is now advising President Mahama. No. There was a recommendation by the committee, said they should investigate him. So in matters like this, we need proper investigation. We need clarification on it. You can't just leave it hanging. Because there are records and precedents to it. They say, something like that is synonymous with you. There were such recommendations. And for you ask more can me, I don't really see at the country this should become an issue. This should not become an issue because one of your volunteer information. If you don't have anything to hide, just give us further and better particulars. More investigate. Not the baby. Sebio. Yabeka say yede puma betwe and find the entry home. So we are all calling for the investigation. But obi the assembly yaba. Acquire the response has been insults. Yes, we nim the oye. Yes, we are tro. I mean, they are preventing from disclosures.
Those questions I've asked that, especially when the president gave a directive.
Yes.
And the directive is not effective. Those institutions no more oversee such responsibilities. Until will be a aviation, national security, BNI, there's no release to any effect. It gives us more room to be worried and suspicious.
Anna, so, yadia, your friend will be what we call so person who no cry was a your friend will be a friend test for truth. In philosophy, no one and some of the truth. One of them is a Boni because a logical consistency. I say, I can hear a system so empirical verifiability. Who share same no matter pictures no more posted, and no her background and Empire Ghana Airport. Now, what share the relevance of a some can now connected dots in a bit message. Now, who said one of the first reasons I felt it give you was say, who call Rwanda, no more will be a friend RA3 certification. No one will be in the plane and so. How far from Google? If you Google it, they will tell us that they have it. Indeed, all reasons the crowd be my defense in the crown, and then no cressa. So, into what you can say, a same way by brushing off. And all you do is to attack the personality of any power. In that case, the way you say, one we are going to or more as some more information brought my investigate here. One more can say for John for evidence in my. Now, unim, Adio Mure from say, Ora no Motiano. So, Kai Ora. Ora was it not information gathering committee?
It was.
One more information, but I just want evidence. No. One more information, but no one the evidence. When you bring such an information,
they work on it.
They work on it, and the appropriate state institutions will then investigate with information on the other abano. And when they investigate, no one who say bibi uma substance uma. That is where they use that substance as a basis of evidence. No one the court. And one more sem the omunyaka. They say matter say UN one more agency in charge of crime and narcotics. One more say we should call for investigation, and we are calling on all the international organizations. All of them should also press on them. Because, see, there were very huge implications if we don't clear this. I didn't see who says, Sebibu, a beer crowd will be on your bonibia. So, me and pretend to say, a baby bar, whether MPP or NDC, Sebu, and Nipe woman to mean your body. It may not even have any association with the government. If you open eye and the connections in the deals, na the Abba. Nipe or Maymono, and Mrawoman just say Nipa and your bonnet. MPP were Bema, NDC, Nibit my cocaine. I'm at once my Abba. And this is what many people need to make the cocaine. But all what we are saying is that irrespective of whoever is behind it, say no more investigate national security the Japa abuse or the program for the first time. This one the Untimi home bibia NIB so police CID4 all these relevant institutions are there. Why are they not speaking? Okay, if you have nothing to hide.
Unfortunately, Untimi could be
now, they
are on course.
What say?
They are.
Really 1 minute to away.
They are on course. So roll out the numbers for me. 1 minute.
Oh, the American say, Galamsey one of my very efficient way of addressing it. Okay, address them, Mama. Also, be use artificial intelligence. Also, state of emergency. I could for failure to declare state of emergency. They can't offer a state of emergency. Just pass an year. You don't need more than 3 days to do that.
Okay.
And they say, I'm possible believing Galamsey fight now. On passing state of emergency.
So
but I mean, they are destined to fail with the Galamsey fight.
They are destined to fail.
Oh, because they are complicit.
Oh,
they are destined to fail with the Galamsey fight.
And they are subject to my friend and uncle boy.
Is this patriotism?
You are calling for patriotism.
Patriotism was America.
So the countdown is on. 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Number no, our dean could even 0545 509 ... Nti NGF Frost is here. Ti abegu phone as well. Computer in the time na bre etia kesepa. And as we wait for the caller, Daily Graphics say government to stop issuing prospecting licenses to small scale miners. Lawyers, what you know? It's a step in the right direction.
Oh, it's a step in the right direction. But the reverse is like a water gas. River gas. So I'm going to go for the I'm so volunteer information. Now what take me chrome to Miabra. Now we walk fast and I'm a galam say, who waits my cook myself about my name of Soja for who waits my no, he's a very lazy approach. You are destined to he's a very lazy approach. Yes, successful. And some of yes, successful. That's what I can bar and foul who the water gas approach. No, water gas is the most lazy approach. No, I am not saying say, yeah, well,
went to me and Obiaba.
So water gas na de be.
Nansani. O se sa na me fa so atotoma kwangini.
Water gas. Water gas no. Omo na guarantee for no ka
Ghana go because
omo na betu pancha wo fufu amobedi. Obi enu omo come say Obia. Water gas dey fight.
Okay, hello, what pop to say?
Right, yeah, parents.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Right, yeah, parents. Hello, yes, sir.
At say?
Boko so.
Abato phone so.
Hey, me na me hwe yo.
Yeah.
Mama,
O ti bi dey hwe yo.
Me ko mama hwe, mama. Ana na mo frɛ back dem.
Yo yate. We win the quad no we win. Fa koya de pa dem wa wankasa. Lawyer me da say with the era. No man congratulations say o win ye no. O man congratulations.
Mama abazo. Ne mo water galam say dem mo hwe ni ye.
Oh yeah, you better.
Ya ko jam ya be chiro bi sia.
You remember mom difference. You better ask cry. Adriana Nantu.
Me wo TV chama.